How to change region in Steam. The first things first that you need to have is a VPN. Simply turn on whatever VPN that you're currently using and set it to the location that you want to change your region to. After that, you're going to select your profile over here on the top right. You're going to click on Manage Account and click on Account Details. In this page, you will be able to see here in Account Details our store and purchase history. And over here, as you can see, you will be able to update your store country. So if you click this, it should update your entire Steam, your entire account to what country your store will show, like what different products, what different games will show. There are some exclusive games in certain countries. You will be able to access that by doing this. Please ensure that you have a proper VPN that could actually allow you to change your location. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.